Okay, we're back here, guys, and as I said earlier, just to give you a look, now it's been 6 hours for these guys to get done. Flavor and the smell and the aroma, absolutely fantastic. But I leave them in there. I'm going to blend them. We blended some earlier just to show you, making a sort of a tapenade with some fresh basil that I have growing here, and this will keep with the oil for weeks inside in our fridge, no problem. I have all the intentions of doing the same with this, probably leaving them even whole. Don't think I'll blend them at all. Our cream caramel, as I said, no water, no bain-marie, just leave the unit do what it's supposed to do. Okay, and as you know, guys, the trick is with caramel, cream caramel, is to get it out with no bubbles or air bubbles inside. Look at that. Wow. No air bubbles whatsoever. And the meringues, in fairness, came out very well. I made some crushed ones here for our eaten mess. Strawberries, meringues. And as you come over here, you can see here our eaten mess with some cream and strawberries. Our meringues. Look how good that looks. Just different ways of, let's say, putting them up and putting them forward for desserts. We also did, as you can remember, some skins from our clementines. We made a dust out of it. This is pure skin from the oranges. Placed inside in here, dried. Doesn't that look good? Now I added some sugar in with this, so it's a sort of a bittersweet. Now this is not just that these are regen and holding ovens, but by being a holding oven with the wrap system and with no fan inside, you can see this was fantastic. The skin from the oranges completely dried out, and I just blended them and made a powder from it. As for the cream caramel inside in our regen, no water or bain-marie needed whatsoever. The results are absolutely fantastic. Okay, that's it for today, guys. We've been a few hours at this. Again, single phase, holding oven, but we've used it now for meringues, pavlovas, drying out skins of oranges, sun-dried tomatoes, just to name but a few. Our regen oven, we've used it now for everything from retherming, plated meals, GN containers, finished meals, and now we've done some desserts. And we will continue with that idea, just to get other ideas to show everybody how flexible these machines are. Truly, truly magnificent.